Huh? Huh?
I'm in danger!
What's up, VW gang? Got the Jetta on the jack stands because we got some basic trans work going on. Nothing too major, but I do want to show you guys something. As you can see, the speed is going crazy right now. The car is in neutral. The worst part is this automatically locks the door since it thinks we're moving. So if I'm at idle, I'm literally locked out the car. Good thing I had my window down when it first happened. Was able to shut off the car and then open the door. And that's pretty much just the speed sensor crapping out. Simple swap of the sensor should fix that. Once I fix that, I gotta change the trans oil. I got the drain plug gaskets for it. And I also gotta swap out my reverse light switch because that's not working either. Just an FYI in terms of speed sensors, the 5-speed trans sensor has 3 pieces, and if you put them all together, it'll make this assembly. Otherwise, the automatic and 6-speed trans are both one sensor. So the location on my car, which is the 6-speed, will be towards the back. Easier to see with the intake out of the way, but yeah, let's get to it.
Two hours later.
Fresh oil in the trans. You know what time it is. Test drive, baby. And there you have it. No more haunted cluster. Alright, everything seems to be working all good now. Got all the sensors working, put in a bunch of miles and no lights. Jetta is back, baby.
Not leaving!
But that's it for this video, guys. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Also join the Naughty Gang. More vids coming soon. Mahalo for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.